Climate change has a different effect on different areas of the world. Other areas of the world might experience more droughts, while other areas might experience heavy precipitation, which can lead to floods in lower sea level areas. Other areas, such as Anchorage, Alaska, which typically gets snow every year, is getting less snow. According to the article, the Arctic temperatures have been steadily increasing since the 1950s and have been increasing nearly twice at Arctic's near-surface air temperatures than the global average. Since 1981, a satellite has been observing the average surface temperature has increased by over 1 degree per decade. If global temperatures continue to rise, cities like Anchorage, Alaska will continue to see less and less snow over the years. Back in 2015, Alaska has their annual Yukon Quest dog sled race, which is 1,000 miles between the cities of Whitehorse and Fairbanks. During the race, the racers go across the frozen highway, which is the Yukon River. This particular year, they were not able to go across it because it wasn't safe for travel. Multiple other dog sled races were also canceled back in 2013 and 2014 due to the warmer temperatures and lack of snow. Events like these can also have an effect on the economy if they're not recognized and remedied for a solution.